Learn English with us.
English podcast.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English with Us podcast, your daily destination for learning English through easy conversations, real-life situations, and fun speaking practice.
Whether you're a beginner or you're looking to become a more confident English speaker, you're in the right place.
If you want to improve your English every day, build your vocabulary, and speak English with confidence, subscribe to our channel and join us on this exciting English learning journey.
Every episode is designed to help you improve your listening, speaking, pronunciation, and everyday English through simple and natural conversations.
This is day 2 of our 10-day English learning challenge. If you watched day 1, welcome back. If you're new here, don't worry, you can start learning with us today and continue the challenge one day at a time.
Remember, don't just listen. Repeat after us, speak with us, practice every day. That's the secret to becoming fluent in English.
Today's topic is talking about your daily routine. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to describe your daily activities, answer common questions, and have a natural conversation in English.
So, are you ready? Let's get started.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm John.
John, what are some common daily routine words?
Let's practice together. Wake up, brush my teeth, wash my face, take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast, go to work, study English, have lunch, exercise, cook dinner, read a book, watch TV, go to bed.
Excellent. Now everyone, repeat after John one more time. Great job. John, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. How about you?
I usually wake up at 6:30 because I like having a slow and relaxing morning.
What's the first thing you do?
The first thing I do is make my bed. After that, I brush my teeth and wash my face. What about you?
I brush my teeth first, then I take a shower. After that, I get dressed.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do. I think breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I usually eat eggs, toast, and fruit. What do you usually have?
I usually have oatmeal and a cup of coffee. Sometimes I also eat yogurt.
That sounds delicious. After breakfast, do you go to work?
Yes, I leave home around 8 o'clock. How do you get to work?
I usually drive, but sometimes I take the bus. The traffic can be very busy in the morning.
That's true. What do you usually do at work?
I answer emails, attend meetings, and work on different projects. It's usually a busy day. How about you?
I spend a lot of time creating lessons and helping English learners. I really enjoy my work.
That's wonderful. What do you usually do during your lunch break?
I eat lunch with my co-workers. Sometimes we go for a short walk. Do you do the same?
Yes, walking after lunch helps me feel more energetic.
After work, what do you usually do?
I go to the gym 3 times a week. On other days, I go home and relax. What about you?
I usually cook dinner. Then I spend some time reading or listening to music.
Do you watch TV every evening?
Sometimes. But I usually prefer reading a book or practicing English.
That's a great habit. How long do you practice English every day?
About 30 minutes. Even a short practice every day can make a big difference.
I agree. Consistency is more important than studying for many hours only once a week.
Exactly. Small daily habits lead to big improvements.
Let's practice some useful expressions.
Repeat after us. I usually. I always. I often. I sometimes. I rarely. I never.
For example, I usually wake up early. I sometimes exercise after work.
I always brush my teeth before bed.
I never forget to practice English.
Now it's your turn. Answer our questions aloud.
What time do you wake up?
What do you eat for breakfast?
How do you go to work or school?
What do you usually do in the evening?
How often do you practice English?
Excellent. The more you answer out loud, the more confident you'll become.
Remember, learning English is like exercising. Small practice every day makes you stronger.
Don't worry about making mistakes. Every mistake is part of learning. Keep speaking. Keep listening. Keep improving.
Congratulations, you've completed day 2 of our 10-day English learning challenge.
We'll be back with day 3 and another useful English conversation. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.
And tell us in the comments. What is your daily routine? Write your answer in English.
Thanks for learning with us. We'll see you in day 3.
Bye.
Keep
Keep practicing
practicing English
English every
every day.